I had a client and they were getting some code made for a project that they were developing here in Australia. They spent upwards of 100 grand with this person overseas and eventually got held for ransom for $40,000. So let's break it down
Pretty
a little
hectic.
bit. My client had a business that they were working with that needed to develop this software. They went overseas to the Philippines, not physically, they used the platform. They found a developer, it seemed reputable. After about a year of developing the code overseas, they thought, I need to get this double checked. They got me to audit the code. This was being used in a real business for a real purpose. It was a very particular type of software that endangered lives if not used correctly.
Or if not coded correctly. Yeah,
correctly.
that's right. Yeah.
I looked and the code was on some remote server far away. I couldn't see it.
It was in a private spot. That's
let's just call
almost
it,
password
just for
protected.
simplicity reasons, it was just private.
Sure.
I could not see the code. And the code that I did read was completely spaghetti code.
Yeah.
It was unreadable.
It was like a mud hut,
Yeah, it was done by this guy's mind and his mind alone. Like he didn't follow any type of standards you'd ever see. That's not good.
Yeah. Yeah.
Went to my client and I said, hey, yo, like the code, it's not there, man. And the client flips out and goes, shit, my worst nightmare's happening. I don't have the code. Eventually the guy says, no problem. I'll give it to you. But it's going to cost $40,000. Now the deal was, ding, 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 ding. Not good. What ended up happening in the whole story was they just ditched the project. They worked out that they didn't have the expertise. They should have got it checked earlier. And they just thought, we're going to wash our hands of this. They cancelled and just said, we can't do this project anymore.
You spent 100 grand and it's in the bin. And that is sad for a small business in Australia.